Hi, welcome to Parnika Maths. Today we are going to discuss exercise 5.3 fifth and sixth problems. See the question. In a class test, the sum of Maulika's marks in mathematics and English is 30. What they said, ma? Mathematics and English marks total is 30. If she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of her marks would be 210. Find her marks in 2 subjects. I don't know the marks, no? Let the marks in mathematics be X. I am taking the marks in mathematics she got is X. Then what is the marks got in English becomes, we know, no? What is the total of maths and English? What they said? The marks in mathematics and English is 30. Means 30 minus X, no? Did you understand, ma? Marks in mathematics plus English equals to 30. I have taken this M as X. X plus E equals to 30. E equals to what? 30 minus X. Marks in mathematics plus marks in English is equals to 30. I have taken the marks in mathematics as X. So X plus E equals to 30. Marks in English equals to 30. If I send this plus X to this side, minus X. Therefore, the marks in English equals to 30 minus X. What they said again? If she got 2 marks more in mathematics. Mathematics is X, no? X plus 2. More means plus. Less means minus. 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English. What is English marks? 30 minus X. Again, minus 3. 3 marks less means minus 3. The product of her marks would have been 210. The product means multiplication, is equals to how much, ma? 210. Find her marks. We have to find this. See this? X plus 2 into minus X. 30 minus 3. How much? 30, 29, 28, 27. Plus 27 equals to 210. Here, now multiply X into X into X square. Plus into minus, minus. Again, plus 27X. Plus into minus, minus 2X plus 27 2s are 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 554. Here see, while multiplying, first I have taken one term, X into X, again X into 27, next 2 into X, 2 into 27, like that. First we have to take one term, multiply with this and this, and next we have to take one more term and multiply with this and with this. Okay, that equals to 210. See here, minus X square, 27 minus 2. How much? 25. Bigger number symbol plus. Plus 25X plus 54. Send this 210 to this side. Minus 210 equals to 0. What is here? Minus X square plus 25X minus 210 minus 54. 210 minus 54. How much? 10 minus 4, 6. Here 0. 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 156, no? 156 equals to 0. Here X square term is having negative value. Take minus common. X square minus 25X plus 156 equals to 0. If I send this minus to that side, it will become 0. Why I have taken the X square constant as common, it will be easy for calculation. Now what is the equation become? X square minus 25X plus 156 equals to 0. This minus I send to that side. 0 minus 0 or 0. Both are same, no? Now see, what is the value of A? 1. What is the value of B? Minus 25. What is the value of C? 156. I know, you know this, no? We have to compare this with equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. In this method, if you have any doubt, see the last video. In that video, I have explained you how we have to compare the given equation with this equation and solve this. We know the quadratic formula now. What is that? X equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now substitute minus of minus 25. How much? Minus into minus plus 25. Plus or minus root of minus 25 whole square minus 4 into a value 1. Again c value 156 by 2 a value again 1. Here solve this 25 plus or minus 25 square. 25 square. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10, 11, 12. 5 2s are 10. 2 2s are 4, 5. 6 25 no. Minus 156 4s are 156 into 4. 6 4s are 24. 4 5s are 20. 21 22. 4 1s are 4. 5 6 624 by 2. See here, then 25 plus or minus 625 minus 624. How much? 1. Root of 1 is 1 by 2. X equals to. What we got? Two values, no? X equals to 25 plus 1 by 2. That is one value. X equals to 25 minus 1 by 2. Why we have taken here plus or minus is there, no? Now see here 25 plus 1. 26 by 2. Here 24 by 2. Therefore x equals to how much 2 1s are 2 3s are 13. 2 1s are 2 2s are. X equals to 12. Now we got two values, that is mathematics marks. If we want to English marks, what we have to do? Substitute here. First 13. 30 minus 13. How much is this? 30 minus 13. 7. 27. That's all, no? 10. 10 minus 3. 7. Here 2. 2 minus 1. 1. 17. That is 1 marks. And the next marks is 30 minus 12. That is how much, 18. Means, what is the result? If she got in maths 13 marks, she will get in English how many marks? 17 marks. If she got in maths 12 marks, then she will get in English how many marks? 18 marks. But total is 30. Check here. 7, 10, 30. 8, 9, 10, 30. This is our result. That's all. Did you understand, Let me explain one more. I don't know the marks of mathematics and English. I have taken mathematics as X. Total of maths and English is 30. Maths plus English equals to 30. This is I have taken as X, no? Therefore, the marks in English equals to 30. If I send this plus X to this side, minus X. By the product of this, if she got 2 marks more in English, maths and 3 marks less in English, their product is 210. That is they have given in the question. By that we solved it, and by using the quadratic formula we substituted it. At last we got two values. These two values we have substituted in the marks of English. So again we got two values. That means if Maulika will get, if she got 13 marks in mathematics, she will get English 17 marks. If she get 12 marks in mathematics, she will get English 18 marks. Easy, no? Don't get confused. If you have any doubt, give in the comment box. I will explain you. Shall we go to next problem? See the question. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. What they said? Rectangular field. Draw the figure first. This is rectangle, no? What they said? The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. What is the shorter side, This one, no? This I am taking it as X. If this is X, what they said? The diagonal of the rectangle is 60 meters more than the shorter side. Means 60 plus X. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, 30 meters more than the shorter side. That's all. What they said, ma? Did you understand? I don't know the shorter side, no? Let let the shorter side be x meters. Then what is the longer side? What they said? 30 meters more than the shorter. 30 meters more than the shorter. 30 plus x. Again, diagonal, what they said? 60 meters more than the shorter. 60 more than the shorter. Did you understand how we got? 60 more means plus than the shorter side. Shorter is x. Longer side is how much? 30 more than the shorter side. Shorter side is x. So we got here. By the figure, you see the figure. What we can say? If you take this rectangle as ABCD, see here, AB square plus BC square equals to AC square, no? Means side square plus side square equals to hypotenuse square, no? What we can say? AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. What is AC here? 60 plus x whole square equals to AB square. X square plus BC square. 30 plus x whole square. Now solve this. This is a plus b whole square, no? What is the formula of a plus b whole square, ma? A square plus b square plus 2ab. By using this formula, you substitute here 60. Okay, 60 square. How much? 60 square. 60 into 60. 6 6 are 36. 3600 plus x square plus 2ab means 2 into 60 into x. 60 into 2. How much? 120, no? 120x equals to here also x square plus this x square. Again 30 square. 3 3s are 9. 900, no? Plus x square, a square, b square plus 2ab. 3 2s are 60x. Just I substituted this formula, my a square, b square plus 2ab. 2 into 30 into x. 30 into 2, 60x. Did you get it? Now see here. 3000. Okay. Here 1x square, here 1x square. I can cancel it, no? Again, what are the terms here? Write these terms first. X square plus 60x plus 900. X square plus 60x plus 900. Send these two terms to that side. What it will become? Plus 120x becomes minus 120x plus 3600 becomes minus 3600. That equals to 0. Now solve this. X square 120 minus 60. How much? 60, no? What is the bigger number symbol? Minus 60x. 3600 minus 900. Now solve this. 16 minus 9, 6, 7. 1 we have given 2700. Minus 2700 equals to 0. This is a value, no? This is a bigger value. So shall I take factorization method? Then it will be easy. If I want to do minus b plus or minus root of b square means 60. Bigger value, no? So okay, let us try. In the same method, a equals to 1, b equals to minus 60, c equals to minus 2700. Now see here, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Not only this method, if you want, you do by factorization method. I think by factorization method I can get easily. 3 9 3 is 30, 90. 90 minus 30, 60. Oh, see, by factorization method I am getting easily. Shall I do by the factorization method then? See, by the factorization method, multiplying the first term and last term. How much? Minus 2760. 9 3s are 27. 30 into 90. How much? 2700. X. What is the symbol here? Minus. So, for 1 we have to keep plus, and for 1 we have to keep minus. What is the symbol here? Minus. So, for bigger number minus, for smaller number plus. What we can write? X square. Again I am writing that x square minus 60x minus 2700 equals to 0. No? In the place of 60x, write this. X square plus 30x minus 90x minus 2700 equals to 0. Check it if you have doubt. Add this both. You have to get this. 9 minus 3. How much? 6. Correct only, no? Now in this 2. Take x as common. X plus 30. Now take minus 90 as common. X plus already within. 90 into 30 is 2700. Equals to 0. X plus 30 into x minus 90 equals to 0. X plus 30 equals to 0. That is one equation. X minus 90 equals to 0. Here x equals to minus 30. X equals to 90. See, what is the what they said? Find the sides of the field. Will the sides be the negative value? No. Therefore, what is x? Shorter side. Therefore, what is the shorter side? 90 meters. What will be the longer side then? 30 plus 90. That equals to 9, 10, 11, 12. 120 meters. Then what is the diagonal? 30 plus 60. 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, 90 no? Sorry. 9, 10, 11, 12 correct only. 90 plus 60. How much ma? 90 plus 60? 150 meters. Did you understand? This we got x equals to 90. Therefore, the shorter side is 90 meters. Longer side becomes 30 plus x means 30 plus 90. That equals to 90 plus 30 how much? 120. And the diagonal is x plus 60. X means what? 90. 90 plus 60 how much? 150 meters. That's all. The problem is completed. Did you understand ma? If you have any doubt, give in the comment box. I'll explain you again. If you like my video, press on the like button, share my channel, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.